So let's talk about who actually needs technical writers. Again, if I asked that question, many of you would say tech companies. And while that is true, it's only part of the answer. Now, here is something that might surprise you. Almost every industry that relies on products, processes, systems, or technology needs technical writers. Whenever someone needs clear instructions, accurate documentation, or any easy way to understand something complex, that is technical writing. Even the fridge that you buy comes with a user manual. That is what a technical writer does. Now, it's one of those careers that quietly exists everywhere, even if you don't always notice it. Hi, I'm Fanny, software engineer who has been into technical writing since 2022. Now, let's answer the question of the first people who need technical writers, I would say, are software companies. Every app you download, every website you see, they use every SaaS platform you sign up for, and every API developers integrate needs documentation. Now, someone has to write those user guides, those API references, the release notes, onboarding materials, help center articles, so customers know how to use the product. Now, without documentation, even the best software can become frustrating. The next group of people that need technical writers are developers and engineering teams. Here is a common misconception. Just because someone can build software doesn't mean they enjoy documenting it. Developers are often focused on designing, coding, testing, fixing bugs. Now, writing a documentation requires a different kind of skill set. That is organizing information, understanding audience, explaining technical concepts in simple language. That's where technical writers become valuable partners. Then the next group of people that need technical writers are the healthcare and medical organizations. Medical devices, laboratory equipment, hospital software, healthcare systems. These systems require a really accurate documentation. Patients, doctors, nurses, and technicians, they depend on these instructions because misunderstanding information can have serious consequences. So technical writers help ensure those documents are understandable and are very, very reliable. Now, the same is true for also manufacturing companies. Factories, they use operating procedures, maintenance manuals, safety instructions, equipment guides, and also quality assurance documents every single day. In manufacturing, clear documentation helps workers perform safely, consistently, and also efficiently. Then there's the finance industry, banks, payment platforms, insurance companies, fintech businesses. They create products that millions of people use every single day. So whether it is documenting internal systems, internal financial software, or creating customer help articles, technical writers play a great role in making complicated financial processes easier to understand. Now, what about government agencies? Governments publish policies, digital services, public portals, and also operational procedures. Now, citizens and employees need information that is accurate. Besides being accurate, organized, and very easy to follow, technical writers make public information more accessible. Now, even education depends on technical writing. Organizations like universities, online learning platforms, certification providers, and training organizations, they create learning materials, user guides, instructor manuals, and also course documentation. Behind many educational resources is someone carefully organizing information so that learners can succeed. And then there are companies building artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cybersecurity, robotics, and emerging technologies. These industries move really, really fast, and every new feature, API, SDKs, and platform needs documentation that helps developers and users understand how to use it correctly. Now, as technology grows, the need for clear communication grows with it. But there's something even more important. Technical writers don't just write documents, they reduce confusion, they answer questions before customers ask them, and they help support teams receive fewer repetitive tickets. They also improve onboarding, they make products easier to adapt. They save companies time and money. In many organizations, good documentation becomes part of the customer experience. Now, think about the last time you searched a help center and found exactly what you needed. You solved your problems in minutes. You probably never contacted customer support. That's not an accident. That's the result of someone taking the time to create that information that you are looking for. Now, here is the reality. Companies don't hire technical writers because they like documentation. They hire technical writers because clear communication improves products, reduces costs, increases customer satisfaction, and also helps people succeed. That's real business value. So who needs technical writers? Those are the software companies, the startups, the healthcare organizations, manufacturers, financial institutions, government agencies, educational platforms, cloud service providers, cybersecurity companies, artificial intelligence, and honestly, any organization that creates something people need to use or people need to understand need technical writing. So technical writing is not limited to one industry. It's a skill that cuts across so many industries because every organization has information that needs to be communicated clearly. And that's what makes this career so exciting. As technology continues to evolve, the demand for people who can explain complex ideas in simple language will only continue to grow. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Before watching this video, did you think technical writers only work in software companies? Which industry surprised you the most? And if you're interested in learning more about technical writing, feel free to leave your comments, and also make sure that you subscribe or follow me wherever you're watching this video from. And over the next few videos, I'll be answering a couple of your questions, and then also we'll look at some of the tools, the skills, how you can create a career out of this technical writing. And I'll see you in the next video.